State Ohm's law, explain any symbols that you use. Right, let's do that bit first, right? So V equals I times R, that's essentially Ohm's law, where V is the voltage in volts, capital V for volts. I is the current measured in amps, capital A for amps, and R equals the resistance, RES, IES, ANT, etc. Resistance measured in ohms, and the symbol is this yoke here, omega or something, I'm not sure, it's Greek anyway, right? Then it says calculate the voltage dropped across a 25 ohm resistor when a current of 2.5 amps flows through it. So in this case here, R equals 25 ohms, I is the current, equals 2.5, and we are asked to get the voltage. The voltage equals I times R, which is 2.5, multiplied by 25. So that's going to be 50 and 62.5, something like that. 2.5 multiplied by 25, 62.5. V equals 62.5 volts. And that is the answer. That is the voltage dropped across a 25 ohm resistor when a current of 2.5 amps flows through it.